A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Hi, my name is NADINE BLAIR and welcome to this channel where every day there is a New Testament reading in Jamaican style. We call it Patwa. Same thing with the president did say when him say, Wagwan, that is it. Today the reading is going to come to us from the Word of God. And we want you to listen carefully and get the message. Listen to the Patwa and learn a thing or two. For me, you can follow me on social media, NADINE BLAIR JA, Instagram, NADINE BLAIR on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and more. But right here, we want you to like this channel, follow this channel, share this channel, and tell people how we are turning things round with the Jamaican Patwa and the Word of God. Here now is the good news about Jesus, as according to Matthew chapter 6 from verse 1 to verse 4. Watch it. Nobody do a right hunger for make people see you. If I saw, una can't bother look for get nothing from Father God where they are heaven. So when una give a things and I do good for people, nobody make one bag of nice about it. So everybody see what you do. Just like how the hypocrite them do when them in a Jew them church and outer road. Them do them something they make people big them up. Make me tell you this, and I true me attack, them now nothing more get. When una give a nothing, nobody make una left hand know and a right hand a do. That way they, nobody have to know say una give a nothing, and una Father will see things when nobody else don't know about, him will give you what you forget. That is the word. Has according to Jamaican Patwa. Have a good day.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.